Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm finishing up some pretty last minute Christmas gifts for my family. I'm making everything for them again this year. I typically don't really buy much any time of the year, let alone Christmas time, unless I'm buying from another black owned brand. So in this video, I am going to be showing you guys, well, I'm really just going to be working and hopefully I'll get to film. I'm going to be showing you guys some Christmas gifts for my family. So I have my mom, my grandma, my brother, my nephew, and I still need to find something for my dad or make him something. I think it's too late to order anything, so I will have to make something. I just haven't figured out what it's gonna be yet. Like, he's really hard. Okay, so everything here is DIY or custom made from me or something that I like am revamping and gifting to them. Okay, so the first gift is for my little brother. This is just gonna be something really simple, but I got him a gray hoodie and I hope it's not too big. I got a large. My nephew, I love him so much. His son is always saying dad now, so I thought it would be really cool to get him a custom hoodie and it'll just say dad on it, and I thought that was cool. It'll be really sentimental and just really special. Okay. Next is for my grandma. She really loves the Beatles. I found this on the clearance rack at Target and it's a nice hoodie and it's red. So I thought it would be kind of cool. I picked up this tool today from Joann's. This kind of fabric, really fluffy, and you know, I'll do some ruffles or something. I thought it would be really cool to revamp this and just give it like a little bit of a Sabrina Ayana flair to it, and I know she'll really love it. Okay, so that's for her. And oh yes, this red matches perfectly. It's crazy. I went to Joann today and there was literally so many shades of red. I was like, hopefully this one's close enough, and it actually looks perfect, so yay. Okay, and then the next one, I was out at this antique gallery. My baby's calling me, hold on. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I decided on the font. Now I am just gonna pick out the vinyl. I'm just watching my girl Maya. I love her so much. This is really messy right now because I'm in between so many things, but these are the options that I have for the color. So I'm gonna try to do something simple because I mean, I feel like black would be fine. So hopefully I have black, but let me take a look. Okay, now I'm in my hallway pressing this on, and I think it's gonna come out good. Hopefully, my fingers are crossed, because I just realized that the settings, that this vinyl is for 100% polyester, and this is 50% polyester and 50% cotton. So we'll see. Okay, I just pulled off the vinyl. I just pulled off the adhesive, and it came out perfect. It's just cooling down. It's really hot right now, but this is the finished product. I think he's gonna like it a lot. Okay, this is what I have so far. I think it looks really cute. I added it to the hood, and then I'm thinking about adding it somewhere else, or leaving it, or just adding some more, like to fluff it up a little bit more. So we'll see. I have to be at work at 8 and it's 4:40. So I'm tired. 4 in the morning. I'm debating if I'm gonna just stay up for a few more hours and finish this, or if I should take a nap before work. So let's see. Okay, I got 2 projects down, 2 to go. This is the next one. This one is gonna be for my mom. So this is the camo jacket I was talking about. So it goes to the knee length, and I'm thinking of adding something. I just have to figure out where and how. But I'm thinking of adding, I still have some of this camo mesh, and it's really stretchy and it's really soft. So I was thinking of somehow adding it on to here, or maybe cutting out an area and adding it. I don't know, we'll see. But that's the next project. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, and the time is right now 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay,